Hey guys, welcome to Beauty and Food, or if you're not new, welcome back to Beauty and Food. I'm your host for today, Nelly, and we're gonna have some nice lempeng for breakfast today. So right now we're at Sungai Putan in Malacca, and we're at this small shop called Warung Lempeng Paksao. So what is lempeng? Lempeng is actually a breakfast food which is made of flour, and it can be made of a lot of ingredients. So to go into detail, let's head into the shop and check it out. Alright guys, so now we have here our lempeng. And to be quite honest, I've actually never tried lempeng before, so this will be my first time as well. What's so special about this shop is that they actually have a total of 12 different flavored lempeng, but we're not gonna go into all 12 different flavors, so we're gonna do 4 instead. And what I have on my plate right now is a normal flour one. They call this griddle, which is small shrimps. And then we have banana and we have coconut, right? And here we have sambal, and like for a better definition, it's just spicy condiment. So we're gonna dig in. I'm gonna start one by one with the flour one. So here we go. Okay, it reminds me a lot of a pancake, but kind of like a roti canai with a mix of pancake, you know? Alright. And actually, when you have this, you can choose to buy different veggies and dishes to top it off. But we're just gonna go for the plain lempeng itself today. Yeah. So this is what it tastes like. Imagine a pancake, but chewier, and it has the aftertaste of a roti canai. It's sort of like a weird mix, but it's a nice kind of mix. I kind of like this. It's really chewy, because, okay, let me show you guys. I'm just gonna use my fingers. If you see, you can't really tear it. So it's sticky and kind of chewy. Okay, but that is what lempeng is. So we have the normal one already. I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, it's good. If you're not into spicy, you can have this on its own and order some other dishes. But because I want to try it with the sambal, I decided to put it in the sambal. So it's really up to you. So next piece here we have the griddle, which is again something like small shrimp. So let's try it out. I'm just gonna try it plain first, and then I'm gonna add the sambal later because I really want to see how griddle tastes like. Definitely tastes a bit of seafood in there. And what's so different about this is that there's a kind of like a different texture. You can feel that there's things inside. So texture wise it's different. And this tastes really good with sambal. It tastes so much better with sambal. So that's our griddle. And then I'm going to continue next with banana, otherwise known in Malay as pisang. So again, I'm trying it without sambal. This kind of reminds me of, I don't know if you guys know what this is, but you know appam? It kind of reminds me of that. Okay. I don't think this piece will taste that good with sambal because it's a bit on the sweeter side, but I'm gonna give it a try and let you know. Yeah. I would definitely prefer this plain without the sambal. Okay, the coconut isn't what you probably imagine it to be. It's not sweet. Rather, it's a bit of like a salty aftertaste kind of coconut. I'm imagining they use santan for this, for the salty flavor. But yeah, you can definitely taste the coconut, but it's not the sweet kind of taste. And with some sambal. I never forget the sambal. As I mentioned earlier, there's 4 different flavors on my plate. The flour, the gurgao, the banana, and the coconut. My personal favorite is the banana because I have a very big sweet tooth. But I would also really like the gurgao because it tastes really good together with sambal. It's like a bit of a seafood taste with a bit of spiciness. It's just right, you know. So definitely do come check it out. And yeah, that's it for this episode. We hope to see you again. And please leave a like and some comments and share the video if you like it. Bye guys!